Hey, hello everybody. Bonjour tout le monde. So we're again here with our fourth session. Um, in the last session, we did adjective possessive, l'adjectif possessif. So that was moma, me, ton, tate, and then we left the last session for our exceptions. So in this session, we will do the exceptions and some practice of those sentences. But before beginning, we will do as usual. We will start with our proverbe du jour, that is the proverb of the day. I am quickly sharing my whiteboard with you. Le proverbe du jour is à cœur voyons rien d'impossible. To a brave heart, nothing is impossible. This is a very nice French proverb. So in this proverb, we are introduced to certain accents also. If you can see, there is an accent over A, and then there is a there is a usage of ligature. So there are these ligature we'll see quite often in French. So after this video, we will also do our accents and ligatures. But before going further to those things, first we will see what we did in our last session. Our last session, we left with these sentences, right? So let's quickly revise. So जैसे कि हमको याद है कि हमारे पास दो शब्द होते हैं, एक से जिसका मतलब है दिस इज एंड द अदर वन इज ce sont जिसका मतलब है these are, right? So these were the sentences that I gave you for homework. So I suppose everybody has done it, whoever is following it. So now the first sentence is this is my room. So then we'll say, say this is, and then I will go to the dictionary and find out, okay, the room is in French, although there could be two, three more synonyms for this word, but then we will use the most English looking one. So, chambre is the word for room. Now I want to use my. We will quickly go to our table and find out that for masculine, for feminine, and for plural, the my is mo, ma, or either may. But the chambre is feminine. The word chambre is feminine. It's a feminine noun, so I will use ma. C'est ma chambre. This is my room, right? Okay. Similarly, if we go to the second sentence, this is your bag. So this is c'est. For bag, I will use sac. Sac is the word, and this is a masculine word. So your. So ton, ta, and te. So c'est ton sac. Now we'll go to the third sentence, which is these are my toys. Ce sont toys. For the word for toys, the word in French is jouet, right? Jouets. This is plural, toys. So I have for, as we saw in the first sentence, there are three types of saying my. So masculine is mo, feminine is ma, plural is me. Ce sont mes jouets. So this is how we make sentences. बट अभी ना इसके अंदर एक छोटी सी चीज आती है. वो छोटी चीज क्या है? एक्सेप्शंस. So in every grammatical concept that we are going to do in French, also in English, we have certain exceptions, right? So the very important exception that we have in adjective possessive is exception with words starting with vowels, right? So we know en français, nous avons combien de voyelles? A, E, I, O, U, H, Y. These we consider them as vowel. Les voyelles en français. If a word starts with a vowel, if a word starts with a vowel, we use masculine adjective possessive with it. इसका सिंपली क्या मतलब है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे एक सेंटेंस लिखना है, दिस इज माई फ्रेंड, राइट? दिस इज माई फ्रेंड. से अब मैं देखूंगा, आई विल यूज द डिक्शनरी एंड फाइंड आउट द वर्ड फॉर फ्रेंड इन फ्रेंच इज आमी, AMI, right? So I know that this is my friend. So even if my friend is a masculine friend or a feminine friend with the E. So this is a quick tip. We will also do it later on when we will do adjectives and nouns in French in great detail. So we can make any noun feminine by adding an E to it. The word for friend is ami. This is a masculine noun. If you add an e, it becomes a feminine noun. It becomes a girlfriend, basically, a female friend. So, what I will do is say monami because I know that ami is masculine, so I will use say monami. But what if this friend was a female friend? What if this sentence was like this? This is my friend, and then I wanted to say female. The friend was female. How would I write? Then how would I say it? I would say mon ami again. It does not matter even if the noun is masculine or feminine. If it starts with a vowel, we always use masculine adjective, right? Masculine possessive adjective to be precise. Similarly, there is one more word, école. École is school. And if I would check it in the dictionary, the word école is a feminine noun. It is a noun, feminine, right? So it should be une école. Remember, we studied une de in the first two videos, first two sessions. We studied those, right? Une école. But now I want to use it in a sentence where I wanted to say, "This is my school." Now, how would I use this sentence in French? Is c'est mon école. C'est mon école, right? A few of you could, naturally have this question कि हम mon école क्यों बोल रहे हैं, हम mon école क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं? It is because of the liaison in sound, connections in sound. We will also study liaison with our accent. So because we are introduced to accent here, école has an accent over it. If we go back, we will see that A has an accent over it. So what these accent mean, we will do in the coming videos. But for today, our concern is to understand the exceptions of adjective possessives, right? So let's do quickly some sentences and some revision also of this concept. Just a second, let me quickly share one little sentences that we can practice. So these are some sentences that we are going to look at specifically with the perspective of understanding the usage of adjective possessive with words starting with a vowel. So say monami, right? So even if it is ami with a e or ami without an e, since it is starting with a vowel, which is a, so we use mo ami. Similarly, c'est ton école, c'est son histoire, c'est ton imagination, right? This is how H is a vowel, I is a vowel, E is a vowel, A is a vowel. So this is how we use adjective possessive with the nouns that start with a vowel, and for those we always use masculine adjective possessive. Does not matter if the noun is feminine or masculine, right? But then there could be a very natural question that, why do we do it? Why do we do such a thing in French? It is for separating two words. मतलब ना, अगर जो हम फ्लो में जब किसी चीज को पढ़ते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम ये वाला सेंटेंस लेते हैं, दिस वन, से मोनामी. लेट्स टेक दिस सेंटेंस. So if I take this sentence and it was Ami. So someone may argue कि भाई इसमें आप माँ लगाओ क्योंकि ये फेमिनिन है. Say Mami. So because French is spoken really fluently and थोड़ा सा fast वो लोग बोलते हैं. हम भी हिंदी और इंग्लिश बहुत fast बोलते हैं, but हम realize नहीं करते हैं, right? Okay, so when somebody would read it or say it like this, say mami. So it may sound as if they're speaking, say mami, Mammie, which is also mother. This is one example. We can fit it in other words also, but to separate these two sounds so that they do not mingle together, so we will use masculine adjective possessive. So this one is right. Say mon ami, right? So this is the reason for separating sounds. We use masculine adjective possessive with the nouns that start with a vowel. Okay, just a second. I will quickly add some exercises for you to practice here only. So these are four sentences for your practice. In the next video, we will discuss these sentences, and then we will also look at the accents and the liaison in sound, why the sounds are connected in French, and what is the use of accents and how many types of accents are there. Afterwards, we will go forward and we will enhance and we will enhance the scope of our French sentences, right? Okay. Thank you very, very much. I hope it was understandable. For any doubt or any question that you have, you may leave those in the comment section. You can also mail me. My email address is there in the description of the video. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.